Earlier that si Ate V was your top of mind choice when you were thinking of the Angkas partnership. But for us, honestly, for us, of course, she's not a motorcycle riding lady. So she was not top of mind when we were thinking of Angkas. So why was the choice Ate V?
Actually, tama yan. There's a
Yes.
lot of, actually, there was a lot of actors and actresses that were actually presented. So,
Alright.
that wanted to be part of Angkas
Yes.
because nga they are motorcycle enthusiasts. And there's a lot of them out there. And that would have been really a natural example. It would have been an easy fit, no? But really, what was really, I guess, the critical factor for Ate V was really her love for helping people, her public service. Apart from 100% awareness sa buong Pilipinas and beyond, she's really a very good ambassador to really sway people's minds and change people's mindsets. Alam mo, iba po yung ginagawa natin dito eh. Nag-i-introduce po tayo ng bagong konsepto na pwedeng pagkakitaan ng tao pero may responsibilidad na dapat ligtas. So, mabigat po yung responsibilidad na yun. At kailangan po natin ng ambassador na kayang isway yung utak ng tao, na paniniwalaan. At hindi lang po sa sining ng sa entertainment, okay, because she's popular, but also because she's been in public service. She knows how to manage people. She knows how to move constituents. So that is why we chose Ate V.
Yeah, thank you for that explanation. Ate V, my question, what made you say yes to Angkas? Because considering that it's really very, what do you call this? It's very not safe really, or normally to just ride a motorcycle. But Angkas is reiterating that it's 99.997% safe. So what made you say yes to this partnership?
Leia, palagay ko yung yung advokasya nila. Yun nga yung sinabi niya, siguro baka pumapasok yung pagiging public servant ko. It's not just the riding or yung pasahero or what, no? But malaking tulong yon with the present situation ng ating traffic problems, yung ating mga commuters, kung paano naghihirap. Pero ang malaking bagay dito, yung karugtong ng advokasya, yung pagbibigay ng oportunidad ng trabaho. Yung mga riders niya, kasi talagang well-trained naman. Nakita ko rin yun, yung mga hindi nakakapasa. Pero yung oportunidad para magkatrabaho yung mga kababayan natin na medyo nangangailangan, especially sa panahon ngayon, may inflation and all these things, pinakakailangan natin ngayon trabaho at may pera. So, yan ang isang nabibigay ng Angkas ngayon, yung oportunidad. Kasi parte yon ng kanilang advokasya. At palagay ko, yung mga paniniwala nila at may pag-asa. Doon kami nagkakasundo ni Sir George pagdating sa programa o proyektong Angkas. It's not just an ordinary ride or pasahero kahit, hindi yon. May background pa kasi yan ng trabaho and yung oportunidad.
So that convinced me.
Yes, Leia. Thank you, Leia. Good to see you.
Hello, magandang hawak. Ako si Robert ng Manila Bulletin.
Hi, Robert.
Hello po. First question, I want to connect my question sa major phase-out ng mga jeepneys sa Angkas. So may napipin po phase-out nga po ng mga traditional jeepneys and then buses, vans, no, in the coming months. Would you invite yung mga drivers na maapektuhan nun na sumali sa Angkas? And what would be the major requirements if ever they decide to join Angkas?
Palagay ko, yun ang binubuksan naming oportunidad para sa mga mawawalan ng trabaho, di ba? And then later on, dito sa Asia, kung napansin nyo sa Vietnam, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, talagang motorcycle na talagang uso. And then nakita nyo kung gano'n nakaliliit, dagdag ng dagdag ang mga sasakyan, wala naman nadadagdagang kalye. So talagang kailangan lang talaga yung maliliit na space and then at the same time safe. parang sa ngayon na panahon natin, talagang perfect yung motorcycle. And kung sa safety nets naman tayo, assured tayo ng training. And then again, sa mga oportunidad na magkatrabaho. So yung mga mawawalan, pwede silang mag-training. Why not? Baka later on, para na tayong Indonesia or Thailand, di ba? Na talagang ilang percent yun, George, na motorcycle na. 80% motorcycle na ang gamit. Di po ba? So, yun. And George, you might want to elaborate or add
Well,
something.
for us, marami pong ang dapat po na bibigyan natin sa mananakay is options. Hindi po one or the other. In fact, jeepneys, meron po silang responsibilidad, may role po sila sa kalye. They are may loop system po yan, galing po sa mass transit. Kami naman po is point-to-point or feeder system. So, we believe in transportation options. Do not limit the options ng mananakay. Kasi ang kailangan ng mananakay, lalo na yung mga ordinaryong mamayan, ay mas maraming options na mura.